You need to watch this if you struggle with breast care. Why are there not more people talking about this? Let's dive in. First things first, know your breasts. Get familiar with how they look and feel so you can spot any changes early. Remember, early detection can make a huge difference. Next, make it a habit to do regular self-exams. It's easy, just once a month, maybe in the shower or while getting dressed. This way you'll notice anything unusual right away. Third tip, wear a well-fitting bra. Sounds basic, right? But a good bra can offer the right support and even prevent discomfort or pain. So make sure to get properly measured. Also, don't forget about a healthy lifestyle. Eating well, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight all contribute to breast health. Simple changes like adding more fruits and veggies can go a long way. Finally, don't skip those mammograms. Once you hit 40 or earlier if you have a family history, regular screenings are a must. They're quick and can catch issues before they become serious. Remember, your health matters, and taking these small steps can make a big difference. You've got this. Stay informed, stay healthy, and let's keep those breasts happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share these tips with the women in your life. Your support can make their journey to breast health a lot easier. See you in the next video.